Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. We are moving this into the living room because our kitty cats are using a chair to get into the catio. So I'm moving that over here so they could easier jump from there to there. Let's do some research. This is the tentative plan. I looked up random cat stands and really like that simple one over there. These numbers I kind of just made up by looking at the current cat stand. This one is 16 by 24 or 26, so ours would be a little bit thinner and a little bit longer. Let's go pick those up. We are back from Home Depot. I only got 2x4 and carpet. The 2x4s were $8 at peak and now they're 3 something. The plywood pieces, we didn't need too many, so hopefully I can make it work with the scraps we have. Let's start making the base. Got the base pieces cut, glued, and clamped. They do not line up perfectly, but I don't think it matters because I am covering them with carpet. Out of all of the scrap pieces, I had this 3/4 and 1/2 inch. Hopefully that provides enough weight. Going to let that dry and keep working tomorrow. I have most of the support pieces cut and sanded down. This is kind of the orientation I am going with. The base is also done. I used staple guns. Going to figure out how to attach everything together. I think I'm going to use pocket hole jigs. I'm making this way stronger than it needs to be. We have 2 of these 2.5 inch pocket hole screws. The plan is to have this also double as a step stool that we could use in the bedroom. I'm also kind of winging this as I go. I think I'm going to cut 2 more of these and just have this middle part sit on 4 legs. Let's get those cut. The build is complete. It is not the cutest cat stand, but fully functional. Only real mistake is these pocket hole jigs there. I couldn't get the impact driver to fit, so I ended up doing a 2.5-inch wood screw on top. Video 110 done.